Hi, welcome to my little clip today, which is going to be about our course, Communicative Skills as a European Teacher. It's going to be pretty hard to make this video because I didn't get to attend 3 or maybe 4 classes. Most of them were due to my teaching practice because I'm still in the first year and the dates just were really annoying. Nevertheless, am I going to, in this video, discuss briefly what I think about the classes, or at least the ones that I attended, or the ones that I remember what we spoke about. And that, for the most part, was the refugee crisis and terrorism and everything around that, because that's constantly in the news. And still so today. So me personally, I feel like the refugee crisis is an enormous problem. I mean, people are coming in from all different countries in the world, and terrorism is kind of linked to this, I feel, because obviously IS have already announced that a lot of these refugees are actually members of IS and are actually going to establish a form of terrorism in our Western countries, which is scary, terrifying, actually. And I'm not really sure how we should have solved this, or how Europe could have solved this, but I mean, it would have just been better if everyone could have just stayed in their own native countries, but that's just not the case because of war going on, and there's just so many problems that I feel should be solved on national levels, that the countries themselves should look in their governments and on a politic level should come up with solutions so that people shouldn't have to flee their country, so that war should not be a problem. Countries should work together in order to solve these problems. People should not have to flee from their own countries to Western countries, because then all these problems would have just not been the case. And terrorism is just really scary these last days. I mean, it's getting so close with Paris, and then Zaventem, obviously. You just don't know when they're gonna strike, and it's scary because for now it's just the calm before the storm, I feel like. Obviously, after Paris, I knew there were going to be some attacks, but obviously the members of IS followed the news as well, so they know what we're saying. They know when police is around, when so surveillance is going on, and for that matter, I mean, you just never know, and that's a scary thought, and I'm not really sure how to solve this. And I mean, the refugee crisis and terrorism are linked in that way that I've just explained. But I mean, I just don't know. It's a scary thought of just knowing for sure that at some point something else is going to happen, because now everyone's quiet and everyone's at ease and no one's scared anymore. But at some point there will be some more attacks, and the fact that there's nothing, just literally nothing we can do to stop this, it's really scary. And that's the thing that that's my thoughts around this course for this semester. That's just what's been keeping me busy, and that's just what I like to explain in this little fragment. So thank you for listening, and please comment on how you feel about this. Thank you.